Hurry, I have to put him back out.
Where'd you find it?
In the driveway. I was trying to save him. I didn't want someone to...
No.
I didn't want him to be stuck out there and you roll back and you're like... I couldn't pick him up off the concrete. I had to wait for him to claw on the leaf. He's so strong. I was like this. And his body was like...
Oh gosh.
If I had yanked him up, I would have ripped his shell off.
Ew.
Don't panic,
That
buddy.
is nasty. His shell would have ripped off?
Yeah, because it's like he's got a good hold.
He's probably hollering. No.
Yeah.
You don't know what you wanted to do. You know if you wanted to eat them. You know, like in France, they eat them.
Escargot.
I don't think they eat the ones that small. I think they wait for the bigger ones, but still.
Well, I'm going to put him back outside.
You're a predator. Bye, little Snelly.
He's cute. Look at him.
All the dogs are everywhere. They're everywhere.
I'm surprised he hasn't
she's like,
retreated into...
Mom.
Hey, Kenya.
Mom.
I'm surprised he hasn't retreated into his little shell. I'm going to take him back outside before something happens to him.
Yeah, that's probably best.
Okay, Mom. I wanted to tell you that there's a moth on the porch. That it is very big. Not the biggest I've ever seen, but it's pretty big. It's pretty though. In terms of like hand size to, it's not a very good. Yeah, it's pretty big. If I were to put my phone up there, yeah, it's a large. We've seen a lot today. This really rainy weather has brought a lot of little animals. I rescued this little buddy from our driveway earlier. He's doing great, obviously. He's having a good time. I also grabbed another snail. I'm not sure where that one is. But this little guy is really hanging on there. Maybe we can see the other snail somewhere. I'm thinking that he must have went the opposite direction. Or maybe he was farther. I don't know. I don't want to step in the grass and then accidentally crunch him. Yep. So many. So, I think I interrupted a bird trying to get to that moth, though. There was a big bird that flew on the porch.